trying to get you caught up in my drama, but...
No, thank you. When it comes to drama, keep me out of it. Keep me far away from it. Stand clear, like I want nothing to do with nobody's drama. Especially since a lot of times when people be in drama and they be going on and on and on and they be going hard and strong, they're the wrong ones. So like if you're someone I know and you caught up in drama and you're the wrong one, I'm gonna tell you about yourself. Don't get me involved, and then we're gonna sit down and kneel and pray about it to God as to why you so messy and caught up in drama in the first place. Also, I tell people if it doesn't have anything to do with you, don't stick your nose in nobody's business, because you won't end up being upset when this wasn't your drama to begin with, and then somebody either say something to you or say something about you that you don't like. And then you won't come and tell me like, oh, this person said this. Don't you think it's disrespectful? Disrespectful or not, I don't want to hear it, because I told you to keep your nose out of people's business in the first place, and you decided you wanted to put your nose up in people's business. So I'm not going to tell you that somebody was being disrespectful or not. Nobody would have said anything to you if you were sipping your water and minding your business. I don't do the drama. I don't get caught up in it, because for me, drama is just very draining. I don't have time to be arguing and going back and forth with somebody when, like, I'm not going to give a fuck about this within the next few days. Like, to get yourself so consumed in drama and be arguing with somebody, like, you letting that person get your energy. And y'all got to stop. Like, it's about growth and growing up and not letting people get to you unless you truly feel disrespected, unless it's something truly disrespectful. Don't bicker and go back and forth with nobody, because nobody is worth your energy. So when it comes to drama, try your hardest to stay out of it, and also don't involve people. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. I would say happy Friday, but I'm like late with posting this video, but you know, happy weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.